Today we're at Goats on the Roof Mountain Coaster just outside of Pigeon Forge. Beautiful day. We're gonna end our Smoky Mountain vacation right here. Put the chest mount GoPro on, take you for a ride up to the top of the mountain and down the coaster. You ready, Sonia?
Ready.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
You can get on these bicycles here, which will use pedal power to take the food up to the goats on the roof.
You know those big flowers that I had that had flower hearts on it?
Reverse action on the way down.
I see that.
Looking at me.
Alright.
Alright.
Getting their exercise and feeding the goats all at the same time. Say about half. Alright, show us how to do it, son. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go.
Workout for today.
Happy goats. Good job, you made the goats happy.
That's how we feed goats on a roof.
A little workout.
Yes, it is. It's cardio for the day. Okay, Ron's going to feed the goats. The goat will not let Ron bring the thing back down. The goat is eating.
Sending it up.
Ron's getting his workout today.
Last call.
And Ron has got his exercise in for the day. How's that?
That's good. Let's see gem mining back here. Here we got some goats, not on the roof. This would be the goat house over here. They can graze out here. People to walk up to them, or they can take that ramp and become goats on the roof. Yeah. One guy over here. One guy over here. He's a little bit wore out. He's had a tough day. This guy's looking at Sonia, but I think she's out of food.
Yeah, I don't have anything, buddy.
I think she's out of food.
Eat out of my hand.
Yeah.
Well, you're pretty. Oh, hi! I'm out. I'm sorry, you have weird eyes. Yes, you do. If I touch you, you might bite me. I don't have anything for you.
Sorry, buddy. We sent all of our food up to the roof. You're supposed to be on the roof.
You're supposed to be on the roof.
It's goats on the roof. Here we go. Goats on the roof coaster. We'll take you for a ride. Here we go. There's Sonya. Woo! We're getting it. We're getting it. Woo! Helix, helix, helix! Woo! Here we go. That was it. Goats on the Roof mountain coaster.
Unbuckle.
All right.
This way.
All right. Thank you. Sonya's coming next. There she is. You made it.
Oh my God. I didn't know I was going. That was crazy. Woo. That was my face.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah, that's my oh my God face. Oh, that's too funny.
Okay, we just got done taking a ride on the coaster. What you think?
It was nice. Scary. It's very fast.
Did you use the brakes at all?
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
I'm gonna lie and say I didn't touch the brakes, but I really did. No, it was really fun. We got some GoPro footage. Hopefully it came out all right. We'll be able to take you for a ride with us, and it's a good coaster. Glad we did it.
Yeah, nice trip this week.
Yeah.
Great vacation.
Yep. All good. Got a little photo op.
I used to handle all of the fertilizer savers in America for the company I was with. And we have a feller named Ramsey. what handles all of the sales in other lands. And the other day, he done handed me a sheet, and it was a report of what the United States of America
They're doing some expansion here at Goats on the Roof. This guy right here is going to be part of the new, I think they said 2 18-hole miniature golf courses with animatronic dinosaurs. Looks like it's going to be quite the mini golf course. Give you more to do here than just ride the coaster and feed the goats. And shop. So the next time we come down here, be something new to see. You see that guy right there? He's still wrapped in cellophane. Guy up there is painting he's painting the mud on the rocks. It looks like he's peeking at us from behind the tarp. How many gallons of paint does it take to paint the new mini golf? Quite a few. Been the original ticket booth, probably when they first started out. Now they can use it to rent clubs for the mini golf.
Of the family of Uncle Percy left there. We stood around the 50th. Linnell, Odell, and Marcel. There they stood. Yeah, there they stood right there. And then there was Eugene, Claude, and Clovis. Ooh, we had a great time. Everybody told Uncle Percy. Watch it! That thing walked down that tree and jumped up on the hood of that pickup, up over the windshield, all them dogs right over there. Uncle Percy left that and ain't dead his life. You know, a shipload of food behind, a shipload of oxen forward, make a haul this bar go quicker than it. Oh, he was a bad man. You think he's wrong? Everybody was hollering and hooping and screaming. That thing got over in the back of that pickup.
Peace, love, and goats. Alright, that's going to do it from Goats on the Roof. I'd have to say this is probably my favorite mountain coaster.
Yes, it's very fun.
A lot of things to do here too. I mean, there's other mountain coasters, but how many other mountain coasters can say they have goats on the roof? So they've got the the goats on the roof. They got the bicycles, or the bicycle that actually works to feed the goats. You can feed them on the ground. They've got gem mining. They got a big gift shop. They're about to have 2 18-hole miniature golf courses. They got a small arcade. So if you're gonna do a mountain coaster, I recommend you come here. There's a lot of other things to do besides just a coaster, and it's a unique experience. Where else are you gonna see goats on the roof? So that's gonna do it. We'll see you down the road.
See ya.